There is a report which indicates that Musharraf in 2000, July 17th, August 12th, September 4th, November 8th, gave you lists of Pakistani politicians, army officers, bureaucrats, about 200 people. What happened to that, to those lists of 200 people?
Well, it wasn't 400, it was about 200. First of all, and secondly, we said no, we are not prepared only to investigate the Nawaz Sharif family, because that would be a witch hunt. We are asset investigators, we are asset tracers, and the reason why we do it is anti-corruption. We return what belongs to the people of Pakistan to the people of Pakistan. We are not going to engage in a witch hunt against the Sharif family. They may or may not be honest, I don't know. And I had no reason to believe that they were at that time, either one or the other. Only the evidence would show. So we emphatically insisted that if they were going to go after the corrupt,
what happened in those 200 cases? Who are those 200 people?
Can I finish my answer? We said we are not prepared to go only after the kith and kin and the alter egos of the Sharifs. We will go after all the corrupt, which must include Zardari, which must include Mrs. Bhutto, et al. That's why we set up two companies, International Asset Recovery, in order to go after the assets of Asif Zardari et al. And Broadsheet to go after the assets of Nawaz Sharif et al. Those 200 people, the companies, they weren't just ordinary people, they were also companies, and they were alter egos. We began an investigation, and before we got off the starting block, General Amjad was removed, Farooq Adam Khan was removed, and NAB was gutted. And 17 years later, I had occasion to ask General Musharraf to his face in a public forum at the Oxford Union. And I asked, he came here, and when he made his speech about the greatness of Pakistan under his rule...
Mr. Moussavi, can we quickly move forward? What was your investigation about those 200 people? Did you find any stolen money, any value of that money?
Well, the London Court of International Arbitration found that we found a very significant amount of money, yes. And we repatriated money to Pakistan.